The evaluation software PCA3000 offers a comfortable evaluation of archive data coming from JUMO screen recorders, controllers with recording function, or the M20 system. Furthermore, the form function can prepare archived data. Preparing includes the layout of printout, quantity of data, file format for data export, automatic printout, and additional statistics. This video shows important details for using of forms. For all the supported devices, a multitude of form files are available. For example, for preparing and output of batch data of LogoScreenNT, the form file default JUMO LogoScreenNT batch can be used. Select the archive that data should be prepared and given out with this form file. The form file is write protected. A copy can be created as follows. Select a name for the new form file. PCA3000 informs that the form file with this name is not available and recommends of using an existing form as template. Select the mentioned form file default JUMO LogoScreenNT batch as template. The available batches can be displayed in the preview. The document includes the document header. Furthermore, for the groups of the batch are shown the diagram, statistics for analog and digital values and batch reports, the document is finished with the event and auto trail list. For the modification of a form file and the automatic printout via PCA3000 or PCC, a license number is required. With the following license number, the function can be used over 30 days without restrictions. Batches prepared by this form can be given out in different formats. Generated data are saved in following directory. With completing a batch, in this example with the LogoScreenNT, the printout of the generation of data can be done automatically. If the PCC software is used and the automatic printout is required, it must be referred to the respective form file. If the recorded values are read in from a CF card, it must be referred to the respective form file in the PCA3000. Besides the diagram for each group of the batch, the printout based on the form file default JUMO logo screen NT batch includes the statistic of analog and digital values, the batch reports,
and the events. The sequence for the entires in the event list can be chosen. It is possible to deselect several tables for minimizing the printout.
The deselection can be done as follows. As already mentioned, it is possible to deselect the statistic of analog values of group 1 and 2, the statistic of digital values, the batch reports,
and the events.
For modification of the form header, a new header file can be created under Design and Globals. The designer opens automatically. In the designer, it can be referred to your own company logo. Furthermore, another company address can be defined. In this example, barcode, signature, name of signee, and batch receipt should be deactivated. Select the barcode in the designer and under layout never shown. The same settings must be done for signature, name of signee, and batch receipt. This shows the printout after changing the form. The form default JUMO logo screen NT group all shows the measurement data of all groups during a defined period. Document header, start and end time, duration of the period, diagram and statistic of analog and digital values for each group,
Events, remarks, date and signature.
The viewed period can be set via the menu under Globals in the menu Automatic Print. In this example, the data output is done by table. The output will be done to the time period of the periodical report of Group 1, Chamber 1. In the device, the duration of this periodical report is set to 1 hour. For that period, the respective data output is done. Furthermore, it is possible to generate the data daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. After zooming of a diagram and print start all new data, the shown data are generated with the form. The form default JUMO logo screen NT group rep additionally outputs the created reports of the recording instruments. It is possible to define the reports which should be output. In this example, periodical reports can be seen. The scope of reports can be defined. In case of automatic output, the time period for output must be chosen. The form default JUMO logo screen NT CSV XLS generates the data in CSV format. For many applications, standard forms are a perfect solution. Easy modifications like change from header and hide elements are possible under Process Print Form and in the Designer. If no standard form can be used, JUMO will prepare a customer-specific form file as service. The customer specification should refer to a standard form. Data that should be prepared with the required form need to be offered by the customer. Afterwards, the customer-specific form file is integrated in the system by the customer. Thank you very much for your attention.